Today I went shopping. I ordered online for my kids as well and for my husband. It's from Zalando. My favorite online shopping is Zalando. Zalando is one of that runs all over Europe. Let's open this. First inside is this one. What is this? Oh, I love the color. They look big, right? But actually when you wear them, it's not. Size small, and the brand is from Poland Bear. But it looks big. It's good for just for the house or just to go outside for the walk. The material is 100% cotton, so this is really good. Made from Spain. Yeah, this is just for the house or just to go out with friends, I think, to play in the park like that. So the next one in Zalando is another dress from it's 13 to 14 years old. So let's see what's in here. I forgot already what did I order though, but I still can recognize. Oh, this is another 20 from my dress because I have a blue one like this, almost similar. And it's really nice for my daughter. I love it, love it, love it. Yes, they might wear this one tomorrow too. Now I am confused which one. So, um, I love the material. Oh, it's made from the States. Love it. It's also cotton, 100% cotton, as you can see. It's a 100% cotton, so that's a really good. I love it for my daughters. I will show you guys when they wear this. It's just that I cannot show their face because my husband is not allowing me to show my kids' um, faces and also my husband's face on the on my YouTube or they are very private people YouTube and their social media. My husband is allowing me to do YouTube as long as I'm not gonna put their face on my YouTube. So I am respecting that. So that I will I can continue my YouTube. So this one is a t-shirt for my husband. What's the brand for this? It's big. It's nice to sleep with this. So this is it's also 100% cotton and it's a this is the brand of the shirt. Pier one. Pier one. Pier one. Pier one. Pier one. It's an Italian name, I think. Pier. Hi, Pier. Like that. So it's just a very simple, just to walk around, a t-shirt. So my husband liked that kind of thing. So another one, I bought him another t-shirt because he loves t-shirts, especially when just walking to the woods just to wear a t-shirt. And it has to be 100% cotton to make it comfortable. This one is a Levi's. Oh, he's gonna love this. So it's a Levi's. Oh, I love it. And here it's a Levi's. And guys, Zalando is original brand, okay? It's not fake. It's an original. So let's check again what's the material in this. It said, where are you, baby? It said do not bleach. Also 100% cotton. There, as you can see. So do not bleach, do not iron. So what you're gonna do then? So it's really nice. I love it. Then another one is this t-shirt. I didn't I don't really buy much for myself because I will show you guys what did I bought today for ready for myself. So another t-shirt for my daughter. I think this is for me. Did I order it for me? I think this is for me. And I love white when it comes to summer. And just wear jeans or shorts or simple skirt with a white and just tuck in like this. I don't know why I love white when it comes to, very when it's very sunny, very hot. I think I just felt like white is the ideal to wear, I guess. And another one, guys, I bought another t-shirt. And this, yeah, what's the brand of this t-shirt? This is a very simple, basic, just a basic, very basic t-shirt for myself. Buti pa sila. Ako, simpleng t-shirt lang. Masaya na. But, when it comes to my kids and to my husband, I rather buy them a lot compared to myself. But you will see. And this one is a t-shirt as well. It's a white one. It's a guess for my daughter. So it's gonna be like that. Short as well, tennis shoes, then ready to rumble. So the text is like this. Size 16, and it said made in India. So let's check the material as well. The material is 5% elastane and the rest are mixed. Only 3% cotton. But I was see, I don't know. Maybe she doesn't like that. Let's see. Another one I bought as well, and I know this is for my husband as well. How? So, this is a gap for my husband. I like the color. It's yellow, and it's gonna be like this. Oh, I'm sure he'll gonna love it. So this is a gap, as you can see, and this is made to, I don't know. Let's see. First, it's 100% made in Vietnam, and then the material is, yes, 100% cotton. Mm-hmm. So made in Vietnam, and 100% cotton. So what else? It's for my husband, and another baby bra for my daughters. I think I got crazy with baby bras now. It's always two, so it's gonna be what did I do? Uh-huh. So so that's all for today, guys. That's it. And so this Zalando I spent 3,100 crowns, I guess, and that's around 6,000 plus in pesos. And then for my H&M, I spent 3,600 crowns, so that's about 7,000 in pesos. And then my CNA, I spent 1,100. That's about 2,200. So that's I keep saying that 2,200 in pesos. So for all of this, it's worth it. So guys, that's all for today. And I will show you what did I bought for today. I bought today this um for myself, this necklace. This is an 8K carat of necklace. So that's why I don't buy much of the clothes because I invest to jewelry. Guys, see you for my next vlog. thank you for watching, and always remember to be positive. Don't think about any negative that could just ruin your day. So, and then be happy, be humble, be gorgeous to yourself, and yeah, because you owe that to yourself. So just be happy, be gorgeous, and always keep the faith. And God bless you all, and yeah, be happy. See you guys.
It's been a while since he has left. It's funny. Wait. So real. I'm writing this to you. I'm really sorry in advance for every time I have to ask you if you might have changed your mind. And baby, does it make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear.
If there was a snake, giant snake that you could ride on, would you ride on? This is Viking Breaking News Network, known to the common man as VBNN, with breaking news. I am Zyra Shry.
And I am Ashley Shire.
I can't do it again. Again, I can't do it. Again.
Thank you so much for watching, and sana ay gabayan kayo sa araw-araw na mga ginagawa nyo, and be safe as always, and thank you for all your help to this channel, The Legal Matters with Yan, and God bless you. Bye. Legal Matters with Yan signed out.